Hello friends, my name is Deepak Kaldone and you are welcome to our channel Forensic Search. Friends, in this video we are going to see one recruitment notification, that is in Karnataka State Police recruitment scientific officers posts are declared. These scientific posts, that is 84 posts, are available in Forensic Science Laboratory, Karnataka, Bangalore. So before going to main contents, there is a good news, that is we are providing a coaching for this scientific officer post in following sections. First one is the biology and DNA section. Second one is chemistry, narcotics, toxicology section. Third one is firearms and physics section. And next one is question document sections. In this coaching, all the syllabus of forensic science in above mentioned sections will be covered. If you are interested for this coaching, then for more details you can contact on this number. The recruitment of this scientific officer post in FSL Bangalore, and this vacancy is from the Karnataka State Police Department. So there is online application is started from 7th of June 2021 and last date for this online application is 7 July 2021 and last date for payment of fee is 9th July 2021. For the post of scientific officer in the category of general, there is a minimum age limit is 21 years and maximum is 35 years. And for the OBC category, minimum age limit is 21 years and maximum is 38 years. And for SC/ST category, minimum year is 21 years and maximum is 40 years. Then there is a fee for OBC and general candidate, that is 250 rupees, and for SC/ST category there is a 100 rupees fees. Then see what are the educational qualification for this post. So for the post of scientific officers in chemistry, the candidate must be holder of master degree in chemistry, pharmacology, biochemistry, forensic science, or equivalent qualification in chemical sciences. That means this mentioned subject, if you have a master degree in any subject, that means either in chemistry or pharmacology or biochemistry or forensic science, then you are eligible to apply in this scientific officer post in chemistry section. As well as the candidate must have not less than 2 years research experience as a research scholar in any research institution recognized by the government. This qualification is for scientific officer in chemistry section. Then the second section is scientific officer in narcotic sections. The candidates must be a holder of master degree in chemistry or pharmacology or biochemistry or forensic science or equivalent qualification in chemical science with at least 55% aggregate marks. As well as that candidate must have not less than 2 years research experience as a research scholar in any research institution recognized by the government. Then next post is scientific officer in physical section. The candidates must be a holder of master degree in physics or forensic science or equivalent qualification in physical sciences with at least 55% aggregate marks. And here also the research experience of not less than 2 years is also necessary. The next one is scientific officer in DNA section. The candidate must be a holder of master degree in botany or zoology or biochemistry or microbiology or life sciences or forensic science, and minimum 2 years of research experience as a research scholar in any research institution recognized by the government. Then next section is scientific officer in question document section. The candidate must be a holder of master degree in physics or equivalent qualification in physical science or chemistry or equivalent qualification in chemical sciences or forensic science or equivalent or subject with at least 55% aggregate marks. That means if you have a master degree of any of this subject, then you are eligible to apply for the post of scientific officer in question document section. As well as if you have a 2 years research experience, then you are eligible. Then next is scientific officer in firearm section. For this, the qualification is a candidate must be a holder of master degree in physics, forensic sciences, that means physics or forensic science, or equivalent qualification in physical sciences, as well as minimum 2 years of research experience. The next one is scientific officer in forensic psychology section. The educational qualification is a candidate must be a holder of MSc degree in psychology or its equivalent qualification, or subjects with specialization in forensic psychology or clinical psychology with at least 55% aggregate marks, as well as 2 years of research experience. Then next section is scientific officer in computer forensic section, and the educational qualification is a candidate must be a holder of master degree in computer science or electronics or physics or forensic science or information science or technology or equivalent qualification, as well as the candidates who have a MTech degree from a recognized university in computer science or electronics or information science or technology or telecommunication or equivalent qualification with at least 55% aggregate marks plus 2 years of research experience, then such candidates are eligible to apply in scientific officer in computer forensic section. The next one is scientific officer in mobile forensic sections. Educational qualification is a master degree in computer science or electronics or physics or forensic science or information science or technology or equivalent qualification in physical sciences, or MTech degree from recognized university in computer science, electronics or information science or technology or telecommunication plus 2 years of research experience. Then next is scientific officer in audio video forensic sections. Educational qualification is the candidate must be a holder of master degree in computer science or electronics or physics or forensic science or information science or technology, or MTech degree from a recognized university in computer science or electronics or information science or technology or telecommunication plus 2 years of research experience. Then next one is scientific officer in toxicology section. The candidate must be a holder of master degree in chemistry or pharmacology or biochemistry or forensic science or equivalent qualification in chemical sciences plus 2 years of research experience. The next one is scientific officer in biology section. The candidate must be holder of master degree in botany or zoology or biochemistry or microbiology or life science or forensic science plus 2 years of research experience. And next one is scientific officer in photography section. The candidate must possess bachelor degree in science. Here only bachelor degree is required in science. Then second one is must be a diploma or degree holder in cinematography or photography or in their equivalent qualification subject granted by an institution recognized by the government, plus must have at least 2 years of practical experience in photography or videography and handling of audio video tools in any organization recognized by the government. So these are the educational qualification for this various post of scientific officer in forensic science laboratory. Then this is the vacancy classification. In the chemistry section there are total 8 vacancy. The next one is narcotic section. There are 2 vacancy. Then physics section there are 5 posts. DNA section 2 posts. Question document section 10 posts. If you want to further bifurcation, then you can click here. Then firearm section there are 6 position. Forensic psychology section 1 post. Computer forensic section 5 posts. Then mobile forensic section 5 posts. Audio forensic section 5 posts, toxicology section 21 posts, and biology section 12 posts, and last one is photography section 2 posts. So there are 84 total posts of this scientific officer in forensic science laboratory. So friends, if you are interested in this forensic science laboratories scientific officer post. Then we are providing the coaching for the biology and DNA section, chemistry, narcotic toxicology section, firearm and physics section, and question document section. So all the syllabus of forensic science in these above mentioned sections will be covered. So you may contact on this number for more details. Thanks for watching our channel Forensic Search. Thank you.